see the ocean of Atlantic.
Dito kami sa hotel. Hindi talaga mawala sa Pilipina ang ang kanin. Tignan nyo guys.
Nagluto ako kanin. Kasi Langgang. Mamang cook rice? Oy. Alang.
Cook rice.
Yung bed namin.
Sabi ni David, wow. He said, wow. Kasi ang view namin.
We choose, Mama.
Huh?
We choose.
It's nice view.
We
We are here in Bordeaux.
We choose, Mama. We choose.
Mhm. We are in 8th floor. Walang view dyan. Okay.